only a matter of time. Car, I think, needs a battery. After been sitting a while, I think that the battery is dead. And just like that, $153 later.
Aside from there, right? Exactly. There we go. 15 minutes at Advanced Auto Store and our auto parts, and new batteries in, and cranked right up. So clearly this car sat a little bit, and I think the battery just was dead. So I put it on a trickle charger last night, or the day before, because it was dead at the dealership. And sometimes you go to dealerships and the batteries just, that's how it is. They just, you know, they don't last 2 weeks, and then you gotta go jump them off. So I assumed that's what it was, and just hadn't charged up when I drove it for the short time. But, you know, car ownership, ain't it fun? We'll do more things, do this. Not maintenance. I want to do like fun things. So.